Hey queens, welcome back to my channel, just Dre. So I am using this for a kinky pre-loop crochet hair that I received from divatress.com. I used about they sent me 5 packs, but I only used 3 packs in my head. I don't want my hair to be super full because I live in Las Vegas and it's super hot out here. So this is my braiding pattern that I use. And yeah, if you want a tutorial on these, which I highly doubt, let me know down below in the comments. But this is how the hair comes. It comes pre-loop, like I said, and the sections are pretty full and big, so I didn't need to take them on loose or anything like that. So yeah, that's how the hair is looking right there. Nice and beautiful curls. You can pull the rubber band down to open it up, and I will show you in the video, but I went ahead and did half of my head off camera, and this is how my hair looks. It's very pretty, full, bouncy, lightweight, not heavy at all, not hot at all. It's, you know, good for 100-degree weather. Right here, I'm just showing you guys that you can pull this rubber band down to open up that loop a little bit more so that it'll be easier for you to crochet the hair into your head. Don't worry about how fast this clip is going, because throughout the video I show numerous of ways to install this. You can't really see how I'm crocheting in the back, so that's why I'm saying, you know, don't worry about me fast forwarding in this part. I will have other parts within the video that's a lot slower and that actually demonstrates exactly what I'm doing to my head. Alright, so this is the clip that I was telling you guys about. So basically I place the crochet needle underneath my braid, and then I latch the hair on. So it's another clip that's about to show right here. So I latch that on, and then I open the loop up a little so that I can grab the piece and pull it through, and that's that. That's what I did throughout my whole head. I didn't separate any of the pieces, and that's why my hair looks so full right now with only 3 packs in my head. Don't worry about the back. I wouldn't say make your back super full because this is big curly hair. So unless you're about to be on a roller coaster or something, doing something crazy that your hair is flipping back and forth. Oh, this is a dance break. Okay, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Yeah, okay. Anyways, unless you're about to be, you know, doing something crazy, don't worry about the back. So I just did this over my entire head, and it took me literally about 20 minutes to complete my whole head. So much Divatress for sending me this gorgeous hair. If you guys want this exact hairstyle, check the description box. There is a link with a discount code, and I love you. I will see you in my next video. Let me know down below in the comments how much you like this hair, or if you don't like this hair. I'll talk to you guys later.